In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a link to an image on Figma. By the end, you'll have a clickable image that either navigates to another frame in your file or opens an external website, and you'll know how to preview it confidently. First, make sure your image is inside a frame, not just floating on the canvas. Images need to live inside a frame for prototyping links to work consistently. Next, select the image. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus G, or right-click and choose Frame Selection. This wraps your selected image in a new frame. It won't change how the image looks, and if you frame the wrong thing, you can undo. Click the Prototype tab on the right panel. You'll switch from the design controls to the prototype settings. Now hover over the image. You should see a blue circular node appear on the right side of the frame that contains your image. Click and drag that blue node to another frame in your file for internal linking. When you release, the Figma creates an interaction so that clicking the image will navigate to the target frame. This is useful for linking to another screen or state in your design. For an external website, after dragging, change the interaction to Open Link. In the interaction details that appear in the right panel, open the action dropdown and select Open Link. Paste your URL in the link field. Use the full address, including HTTPS, to avoid errors. Double-check for typos so the link opens correctly. Click Present to test it. Figma will open your prototype in a presentation view. Click the image. If you linked to another frame, it should navigate there smoothly. If you set Open Link with a URL, your browser should open that website in a new tab. Present mode is just a preview, so nothing in your file is permanently changed by testing. That's it. Your link on the image in Figma is now set up and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.